Welcome back to RV Road Report, your go-to place for everything motorhomes, RVs, and van life adventures. Today, we've got something truly exciting lined up for you, the 2025 Malibu Van Diversity Motorhome. This one is a showstopper, finished in a bold, vibrant red shade that instantly turns heads, paired with a rugged long body design that sits confidently on 4x4 wheels. Whether you're chasing mountain trails or cruising highways, this motorhome promises a blend of strength, comfort, and ultimate style. So stick with us as we take you on a detailed tour, inside and out, of this masterpiece from Malibu Vans. Exterior front view. Standing tall in the showroom, the Malibu Van Diversity makes its first impression with a bold front design. The Malibu logo is proudly displayed right at the grille, signaling premium craftsmanship and reliability. The angular headlights, chrome accents, and aerodynamic curves add to its aggressive yet stylish stance. You can immediately feel that this is more than just a motorhome, it's a lifestyle statement. Malibu has always been known for blending rugged design with elegance, and this front profile is the perfect example of that philosophy. Topside view. Moving upward, the topside view reveals why this van is designed for serious adventures. Right above, you'll notice solar panels neatly installed, giving you the ability to stay off-grid longer without worrying about power. The sleek antenna system keeps you connected wherever your journey takes you, and the roof-mounted air conditioning unit ensures your living space stays cool even in the hottest climates. The integration is seamless, everything looks like it belongs, and nothing sticks out awkwardly. This is clever engineering at its best. Backside view. The backside of the Malibu Diversity is just as functional as it is stylish. You'll see the spare tire mounted neatly, ready for any unexpected flat on your off-road adventures. Next to it, a cycle carrier is carefully adjusted, perfect for travelers who love to carry their bicycles for side trips or trails. This setup not only saves space but also adds incredible utility to the van. Every inch has been designed to maximize adventure possibilities without compromising on looks. Side view. Slide along to the side view, and you'll notice one of the coolest features of this motorhome, the side tent attachment. Imagine pulling up to a lakeside spot, rolling out this tent, and creating an instant outdoor living room. You've got space to sit, relax, and enjoy meals under the open sky while being protected from sun or rain. Malibu Vans has really thought about van life practicality. It's about creating not just a home on wheels, but also an outdoor lifestyle experience. Driving compartment. Step inside the driving cabin, and it's clear that comfort and control are top priorities. The driver's seat is ergonomic, with everything placed right within reach. The modern dashboard includes two LED displays, one dedicated to navigation and infotainment, while the second provides a clear backside view camera feed, making reversing and tight maneuvers effortless. High-quality materials cover the interior, giving it that premium touch. Whether it's long highway stretches or winding mountain paths, this cockpit keeps the driver confident and passengers comfortable. Sitting and sleeping area. Right behind the driving compartment, you'll find the beautifully designed sitting and sleeping area. During the day, it functions as a cozy sofa lounge, perfect for working, eating, or just relaxing. At night, the same sofa smoothly converts into a comfortable bed, giving you the best of both worlds. Large side windows bring in natural light, making the space airy and bright. It's an intelligent layout that balances compact living with maximum comfort. Kitchen. The kitchen area is surprisingly well equipped for such a compact van. You've got a 2-burner stove, a sink with running water, and a mini fridge, everything you need to cook meals on the road. Cabinets are neatly placed for storage, and there's enough counter space to prepare food without feeling cramped. The positioning next to the sitting area makes it easy to serve meals or snacks while keeping the living space uncluttered. Truly, it's a smart use of space. Washroom. Despite its compact size, Malibu has squeezed in a fully functional washroom. It includes a small toilet and shower setup, designed with efficient water use in mind. Clever folding doors and wall-mounted accessories maximize the limited area, ensuring you don't feel confined. It's one of those features you'll be grateful for on long trips, especially when you're camping far from any facilities. Practical, compact, and essential. Malibu delivers on all fronts here. So, there you have it, the complete tour of the stunning 2025 Malibu Van Diversity Motorhome. From its rugged 4x4 wheels, vibrant red finish, and outdoor living features, to the cozy interior packed with smart functionality, It's built for those who demand adventure and comfort in one package. And yes, the price tag for this beauty is $122,000, a serious investment, but one that guarantees a lifetime of memories on the road. If you loved this detailed tour, don't just watch and leave. Force them to like, share, subscribe, and comment.